With the pivot camera set up and connected, let's now configure the Graphite for working with it. So when we look at our configuration screen, we're going to want to go to Menu, Configuration, and go into our input menu. Here I've connected it to input 6. Select input 6 and change it to, for now, pivot. The pivot will require a frame sync if an external frame sync is not enabled. Now that the pivot has been assigned as an input to the switcher and it's been all set up how we desire, we need to now go and configure the device for it. So Menu, System, Next, Next, Device Config. Add a new device. It'll automatically find the first available slot, which would be slot 2. Slot 0 is the Expression CG raw stock interface, and slot 1 is the AMP media server for the clip interface. Slot 2 will be a camera. Click Next. Subtype will be, in this case, PIVOTCam. The IP address that it's connected to, and so we know that it's in the same network, and in this case it was assigned an IP address of 222. Options, which port? It's on IP address 222 and a port of 8002. Now I got this from the configuration notes of that device. So once that's defined, pivot, IP address, port number, we click select and confirm. Now that it's been added, we want to link it to that device, to this specific input. That way when we select it as a source, we will get the menu auto follow to the controls of the pivot. Menu, Config, Input. We have our pivot selected as the last input we touched. Click Next, go to Device, Select, and we select our pivot. On the next page, the channel, so which camera is it? It's the first in the chain. So also invert pan. Do we want the left-right to be inverted? If it was mounted upside down, this would be an easy way to invert the pan. Do we want to invert tilt? So pan and tilt per camera. Select and confirm. So now that this has been mapped, when we select the pivot, it's going to automatically go to the pivot controls. And so focus is set to auto, iris is set as well, and then you've got your pan, your tilt, and your zoom, as well as a shot store and shot recall. All the shots are stored locally on the pivot's head. Up to 128 shots are available, and recalling of those shots. Here we've got our pivot selected. We can go ahead and we can recall shot 1, and the pivot is going to go to its shot 1 location. We could switch to shot 2, click on recall, and it's going to switch to its location as well. The positioner can also be used as a digital virtual positioner. There is also the focus and the zoom. If a physical panel is connected, pressing on the cross point will also dedicate the joystick, and now a physical joystick can be used to perform the exact same tasks. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or would like to see something else, please send it to switchers@rossvideo.com. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day.